We've known each other a long time. We've been on this planet for a long time. I mean, you and me. I could always rely on you. You could always rely on me. We're a team, a group. Group of the two of us. And we've spent our existence pretending that we aren't. Doesn't mean we're on the same side.
We're on opposite sides.
Temporarily, not on different sides.
We are an angel and a demon.
We're hereditary enemies.
I mean, the last few years, not really.
Smoke it? Smoke? Smith.
And I would like to smoke. I mean, if Gabriel and Beelzebub can do it, go off together, then we can. We can go off together.
But we can run away together.
Go off together?
Just the two of us. We don't need heaven. We don't need hell. They're toxic. We need to get away from them. Just be an us. We're on our side.
I thought we carved it out for ourselves.
We could have been us. You and me. What do you say?
Come with me.
You can't leave this book.
Oh, Crowley. Nothing lasts forever.
No. No, I don't suppose it does.